Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these laser cut and engraved earrings. I will use Inkscape and a free vector file from Pixabay. Type in Snowflake and change it over to vectors. Choose the one you like and download the vector graphics. I like this one. Select Vector and click Download. Now import the file into Inkscape. The next step is to draw a circle in the size of the earring. I recommend 20 mm. Set the stroke color to black and the fill color to clear. Copy and paste the circle and change the dimensions to 2 mm. If you can barely see the outline, make the line wider under Stroke Style. Shift the small circle and the snowflake into the larger circle. If you double-click on the vector, you can rotate it. Make it smaller so it fits into the circle. I will make the hole slightly smaller. Make sure everything is positioned as you want it. Now click on File and Export and choose the file format your laser uses. I will go with SVG. Click Export. Switch on your laser and put your materials in it. I like to use scrap pieces. My laser doesn't have an automated Z-axis, so I adjust it manually. Open the file in your laser software. I have a Beambox Pro, so I will use Beam Studio. I will use the preview camera to see where I place the material. Place the earring on your material and duplicate it. The settings depend on your machine, but I will cut with 55 power and 7 speed and engrave 45 power and 150 speed. I increase the power for engraving because I am engraving through the protective film. Let the laser do its magic. Okay, let's have a look. Remove the protective film. Add the jewelry hardware. I'm sorry I filmed a lot of this out of frame. And that's it. Do you like them?